Hello and welcome back to VJ Tech Talks. In the last session, we learned about control structures and control flow statements. As part of that, we explored decision making statements and we learned what an if statement is, the syntax of if, how to write an if statements, and why we use if else statements, when to use else statements. We'll explore all these options, right? So if you haven't watched that previous video, I would highly recommend you to watch it, continuing with the current video. Now, in today's video, we will try to explore the options of repetitive, iterative, or loop statements. Basically, these loop statements, if you look at these loop statement, it helps us to execute the block of code multiple times until a certain condition is met. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos, and don't forget to like and support the channel. Let's get started with today's agenda. As I said, today we are going to learn about while, right? In the while, what is while? While typically we have the condition and the statements. Okay. So there are three things we should remember while you're playing with a while statements, while conditions, and statements. First, as I said, while condition. How typically it looks like the while condition? Number one is initial value. The initial value basically, which means from where to start. This is initial value. Number two, as I said, three things, right? We should remember. It's a terminating condition. Terminating condition. What exactly the termination condition we will explore. Basically, this is where loop should stop. Okay. Next, number three. It's a kind of a step value. How to loop the, in fact, you can say, okay, how loop has to navigate. These are the three primarily, three conditions we should remember while playing with the while condition. Okay, when you say while condition, first you have to initiate the value from where it has to. First you should pass the first value, first initiate the value, then specify the terminating condition where the loop should stop, and step value, how to loop has to navigate one after another. So one note here, the while loop repeats the statements until the condition met, which means until the condition is true. Even if one time condition is false, then loop will terminate. Okay, this is how it basically works. The while condition. Okay, I'll try to write one while program. We'll see. Def main. As I said, based on our syntax, first initial value, right? You need an initial value. I equal to, let's say, 1. Then while. Now what you have to specify? The second one is terminating condition, right? Let's say I less than or equal to 5. Next, print I. Okay, then I equal to I plus 1. Okay, then call main. Okay, before we talk about this one, let me try to write another code here. Let's think of why basically we need while. Why basically we need while? Without while, can we play? Can we write a conditions? Can we play with this if else conditions? Why do we need while basically? Is it really required in a Python language? Just try to understand. Just if somebody asks you to print 5 numbers, let's say somebody asks you to print a 5 number, how basically you will write a program? Very simple, right? In Python, 1, print 2, and print 3, print 4, and print 5. This is one program, just I'm calling main. That's all. If I execute this, what happens? Just look on it. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got it. Now super easy, right? Okay, what if somebody asks you to print, hey, can you print 100 numbers? What we will do? Okay, so we will try to write print 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on till the 100th number, right? Okay, 100 times you are writing a print statement, right? How much time it will take? What if somebody asks you to print a 1 million record, 1 million numbers? What if someone asks you to print 2 million, 3 million, trillion? Then how you can write a program like this? This is ideally it is not possible, right? For you to write a program, isn't it? If you closely observe this program, what is repeating continuously, right? The print, right? But only the numbers are changing here, right? The numbers are changing, rest all, the entire program is same. The print, everything is same, but only thing is just the numbers are repeating here, right? So if I keep this entire print statement in one line of statement, if I pass this value dynamically, our job is easy, isn't it? That's what I did here. If you look at this program, here we have a main program. First, initially I asked, hey, start with 1. Till what number I'm trying to print here? The 5 number, right? The 5 number. Just see, this is the initial value. This is initial value. This is terminating condition. Terminating condition. Then I'm printing the value here. The last one, as you know that, step value, right? So how basically it works? First, initially it takes 1. The 1 less than or equal to 5. Is that true? Yeah, it's true. Then this will go to the next line. The next line is it will print the value of I. What we can get? See here, first time you have 1, right? 1 less than or equal. This condition is satisfied. It is printing 1. Now next one, the 1 plus 1. Let's say now it is 2, isn't it? This 2 value, now it is 2. The 2 value, it goes here, not there. Here in the while condition. Now 2 less than or equal to 5. Its condition is satisfied. And then 2 displaying. And in case of, if I have next and so on, 3, the third time 3, fourth time 4, fifth time 5 less than or equal to 5. Perfect. The 6th time 5 plus 1, 6, right? Then now you have a I value is 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. It is false, right? This condition is not satisfied, right? Now this immediately it terminates the loop. And then the main will call. Automatically the main will call, it will display all the values. Let me give a try. See? Now let's say if I keep here 1, what happens? How many times it's going to print? It's only 1 time. If I keep here, it's a 2 times, right? If I want to print 100 times, just change this value. Change this value, that's all. It's print the 100 values. Okay? That's the use of while. See, as I said, it's a looping statement, iterative statements. It's keep on the loops like until it's met the condition. This loop will execute. Anywhere if it breaks, it automatically comes out of the loop. This prints the value. Okay, I hope you got the point here. Right, now next we'll try to understand. We have another statement, right? What we have? For, right? You have a for as well. Let me try to write it down, for as well here. What is for? You can say that for in iterable. That's all. It iterates, okay? It iterates all the values in that variable. Okay, so how basically, as I said, iterable, right? What are those? Let's say list, tuple, and sets, dictionary, all advanced data types, you can say that, and so on. Okay, for let's say first we'll define list L1, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5. Okay, now next for L1, okay, let's say I, right? I in L1. Okay, I value, how I'm assigning here I, from where I'm getting values from L1, from the list I'm retrieving the I value every time. I'm not specifying anything here in this case, just I'm printing. Now the statement is print I, that's all. That's simple. Okay, all right, sorry, here I missed it. Okay, see, very simple here. Okay, so similar way you can write it down for the tuples, you can write it down for the sets, whatever it is, whatever the values you have, just simply you can print it down. Okay, I hope you got the point. Okay, let me write another program for like, you know, for strings. Let's say I have string equal to some strings. Let's say we have strings. Okay, this is string I have. Just what I will do for V. Okay, I in V, print I. What is happening here? See, just I'm assigning the variable, this values I'm assigning to the variable, just I'm printing it. Okay, no condition, it's nothing, just simply you can just keep that, just assign these values one after another. The loops continues until it reaches the last element from the variable, whatever you assign to that variable, right? I hope you learned something from this video. Subscribe to my channel and like, give a thumbs up and share this one with your friends and colleagues. The next session we will try to understand what is the difference between while and for loop. Okay, see you in the next video. Until then, see you, bye bye.